Okay. Good afternoon, Sheila.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Sheila. You want to talk about your village and your village conditions, and you want to promote awareness, and you want to spread some awareness about your village, right? Okay, please go on.
Sir. Actually, sir, I have been living in the village since my childhood, so I know here what is good, what is bad, and what hasn't improved, what should improve. And the most I know the big difference between boys and girls, and I will say something about that. So my first point is, if I compare the previous times with present times, I must say that the mentality of the village people has improved a little bit. It cannot fully, but a little bit. So now they understand the value of education. They have learned to understand how important education is and how important it is to educate yourself. But it is for some cases, but for others, it is the same as it was before. So there are still many parents who find big difference between their sons and their daughters. They think, what is the benefit of giving girls more education? There is no need to spend money on their education because she don't need to job, she don't need to study more, and because she will get married, she will go to her in-laws house, and she will taking care of her in-laws families, and that is a life. So instead of her teaching the boys, because the boys will grow up and earn money and look after their parents. So I also agree with that. I definitely say the boys will grow up, earn money, and look after their parents. But why not girls? They don't have right to stand on their own feet, but they don't have right to establish themselves. Only they are girls. It's the only reason. So even here people think that a girl is a girl, and does she have any responsibility that she has to earn? We are men, we will earn, and she takes care of the family. She stay at home. That's enough. So there is no need of studying girls more, and there is no need in educating girls up to higher class, and there is no need in giving freedom of girls. So, and even today people think that girl wants to job just because of her hobby, and so what is the responsibility that she has to work? She loves dress up, so there is no need that she has to work, and she just want to work that she can tell people that I work and I fulfill my hobby. So for those who have such a mindset, I would like to say that in which ways girls are far behind these days. Nowadays, both boys or girls working equally. If I say any corporate sector, any corporate job, any IT sector, uh, pilot, videoist, to any respectable job, you see that both boys or girls working equally, and there is no difference between them. And now you see, not only boys, girls are also scoring very well in the exams. They are also getting first, and in some cases they are performing better than boys. And we can see that girls coming from very poor background and performing brilliantly, defeating by all odds. And now boys are becoming doctors, engineers, scientists. Girls are not no less. They are also becoming doctor, engineer, scientist. So don't think that nothing will be happen by girls. It's not at all. And girls are not far behind in any field. As women are doing jobs on one side, she also taking care of the family outside of work, and both now husband wife also working equally, husband and wife earning money, and she helping her husband financially, and their financial condition is improved. And even I also share one thing, that is in our areas, when a girl wears a western dress and walks down on the street, then people pass the best comments either in front of her or behind, but they comment. Actually, they judge a girl by her clothes, not by her character. And the reason of people hear this thing, just because of lack of mentality, lack of education. They are very conservative mindset. So I think the government. It's not that governments do not government doing nothing, but the government has done many things for us. There are many schools in the village, and many facilities are being provided for girls' education. But one more thing, I wish governments would start initiative for making people aware about girls' safety and education. If girls are not sure about their safety, how can they go to school and pursue higher education and follow their dreams? So, and one more thing is, if here a girl does a small job, then people make the bad comments that she's studying up to higher class and now she's doing such a small job. So it would be better if she were get married. So and I would tell them that it doesn't matter whether the job is big or small. No jobs would be underestimated, because those who do small job are useful in our daily lives. Like who sell vegetables. If he don't sell vegetables, then what will we eat? So no job should be underestimated. Every job is equal and every job is respectable. And that third thing is, girls are given a little of the freedom that boys are given here, then the life of the girls would be different today. See, they would also stand on their own feet. They would not only take care of the family, they would also work and make an identity themselves in the society. So I would like to say, improve the mentality of the village like ours, and to improve the quality of education. So, but for those who think that there is no use of giving girls more education, there is no use of is giving freedom to girls. So I would like to say for them, and that is, there is improving nowadays in the village. There is improving roads, houses, schools. But if there is no improvement in our mentality, then what is the use of improving these things? Actually, time has changed, and people also have changed with time, and people are improving themselves day by day. So why are we far behind? We should also improve our mentality. So, and because and here is another reason is, here most of the people are farmers, and so their financial condition is not so high. So they, even if they want to teach their daughters, they cannot teach their girls more. So that's an exception. But those who have good financial ability, but their mentality is so bad, they have the ability to teach their girls, to educate their daughters up to higher class, but they don't do it. Actually, they are afraid to educate their girls up to higher class, and it's all about their mentality. They are very conservative mentality. So I wish if we improve our mentality, because we have to improve our own mentality, no one else will. So I wish everyone improve your mentality and give importance to education, then our life will be more beautiful and improved. So that's all, sir, and thank you for giving this opportunity to say something about that.
Yes, well said, Sheila. And we wish that in the meantime, in future, in near future, everyone will be aware, and everyone will be educated, and the mentality of people will change in your village and in the other backward areas in West Bengal or in any other respective part of the India. Okay, thank you. Well said.